told you plenty of times to get your homework done.
But Mom, I don't know anything about Rachel Carson.
Then you should ask for help.
Can you help me?
Yes, write this down. I'll start with when she graduated in her hometown in Springfield, Pennsylvania. Rachel Lewis Carson graduated from Pennsylvania College for Women in 1929 as a biologist.
And got accepted to Johns Hopkins University. When I got my honors degree at Hopkins University, I was hired as one of the marine biologists at a Bureau Fisheries. I studied the Atlantic coastline and wrote several books about how the environment and people affect the sea creatures.
Whoa. Hold on.
She was a biologist and a writer?
Yes, but those weren't her only major accomplishments. She also was a scientist and environmentalist.
How was she a scientist? I became a scientist when I realized that pesticides were harmful to nature because of the DDT inside of pesticides. I wrote a book called Silent Spring about my discovery. My book was an argument because people believed that I was not accurate.
Wow. That was a lot of information.
That's not it, though. She also banned DDT and started the environmental movement. Though Rachel got it banned, 11 million people use regular pesticides, while other harmful chemicals have increased 400%. Make sure you put down that she was born May 27th, 1907, and she died April 14th, 1964.
That's upsetting.
Thanks, Mom, for all your help. Now I can finish my project. And I also know that Rachel Carson was a good start to our environmental movement.
Boat.
Okay, what do we
Camera's gonna smell like hot breath for a week.